Folks, are gun sales rising faster than a speeding bullet? Let's find out in today's video. Now, earlier in 2020, I mentioned, I did, gun sales have gone through the roof. And I believe the trend would continue heating up way into 2021, maybe even further. Now, get this, last week, I happened to check the NICS firearm check database at FBI.gov. Oh yeah, we don't mess around here. Now, this is a public database that shows the number of background checks for guns all the way back to 1998. That's right, and it's public. You can access it too. The numbers from 2020 are nothing short of alarming. In the US, almost 40 million Americans had a background check. To give you some comparison, the average number for each of the 3 preceding years was roughly 25 million, a much lower figure, 40 million versus 25 million. And so far in 2021, you may ask, well, it doesn't look like it's slowing down. Matter of fact, it looks like it's a number of people who want to get a gun is skyrocketing. I just finished reviewing the quarter, and we've already seen roughly 12.5 million people apply for the NICS firearm background check. Folks, if this trend continues, we're going to end the year with close to 50 million Americans applying for background checks, which is a big number. And as a result, I'm seeing few companies profiting from this trend. Let's not tell anyone between us. So here are my top picks. You can get in on this too. First stock, Ammo. What an original name, Ammo. Ticker symbol POWW. I like that, POWW. Ammo designs, develops, manufactures, and markets, and then sells ammunition and ammunition component products. 1 year return, 337% plus. Now, given the increase in gun sales recently, it makes sense that there's also an increase in demand for ammunition, right? Guns, ammunition, you can't use one without the other. Now, this has caused a rampant ammunition shortage and premiums on bullets. Now, the ammo shortage is bad. It's so bad that law enforcement budgets may come under pressure if the situation doesn't get resolved in the very near term. It's really that bad. Technically, the stock took a pause in the trend, but it's now crossing the 50-day line to the upside once again. And I'm seeing some upside near a target of about $9 over the next 6, maybe 7 weeks, assuming momentum levels persist in the smaller stocks, which is likely since smaller stocks have less correlation to the overall stock market than large caps. Next stock, Big 5 Sporting Goods. What a mouthful. Ticker symbol BGFV. Now, Big 5 Sporting Goods, or Big 5 as I like to call it, it's a sporting goods retailer in the US. The company produces a mix of athletic shoes, apparel, accessories, outdoor athletic equipment for team sports, fitness, camping, hunting, fishing, tennis, golf, snowboarding, inline skating, whatever you can imagine, sports, outdoors, Big 5 has it. Now, I've talked about this company several times over the last year since I'm very familiar with it personally. Now, I grew up in California, and Big 5 has tons and tons of shops in and around LA where I was raised. Matter of fact, I bought my first gun in Big 5. I bought everything sports related ever since I was 6 years old at Big 5. The company doesn't just sell guns and ammo, it's one of their big sellers. And I also believe the upcoming summer months will cause increased consumer spending at Big 5 profits when people are involved in outdoor activities. And we're about to see that segment of the economy begin to expand. So with Big 5, we have 2 things going for us. The drive to return to normality, the fact that people are working from home, and a third one, a bonus one, enjoying comfortable sports clothing. And the fact that gun sales continued to increase this year is amazing. I'm expecting a short-term price target of about $20 per share over the next 10 weeks, assuming the market continues our run-up well into summer months, which is likely based on the amount of stimulus moving into the market and how much liquidity that's generating. Hope that helps.